Yeah.
Hey man. Hey man. You know, I had me a couple drinks. I feel like talking a
Yeah,
little
look,
bit.
65.
I just want
Oh,
to say,
it touched it on my
hey,
chart.
hey,
65,000.
listen, I'm
Yeah,
telling you
bit of
right
a
now,
jump.
we did 65.2 on CoinEx right now. And we are actually a couple, let me see how many hundred. Okay, we might be a couple hundred, maybe $100 now above on CoinEx. See, that's what I'm trading on. So if I'm watching the index chart though to formulate my trade. So if you watch index, it's a better chance at whatever the hell you got going on any exchange. You got a better outlook. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The reset ain't right now though. I'm telling you right now, that 65 ain't the reset. It's about to get fucking crazy, bro. Shots, shots. I am drinking shots.
I need to grab a share button for this stream. Did I? March 4th. Yeah. Just wanted to make sure the title was accurate. As
Hey, have
Bitcoin.
y'all noticed how it's doing that rising wedge? Go through the rising wedge and make another rising wedge.
Yeah, this thing's gonna go to 65.8 right now.
Yes, sir. You get on my nerves, dude. Shut up.
Alright, let's
What's the
notify
part?
Discord.
Are you watching Solana, Rick?
What's that?
Solana.
Yeah, what about Solana?
Are you watching it?
No, I'm watching Bitcoin. Hang on a sec. I'm just posting my
Dude, Whiff
stream
is
up.
fucking raging.
One sec. Yeah?
Whiff is
Oh,
straight
yeah,
raging,
it is.
dude.
And Bonk, look at Bonk. Bonk broke out of its previous all-time high. Look at that.
Damn.
Boom.
That bait too. Not to make a joke of it.
Rick, Daryl, what are your targets for Solana? You have any targets for Solana?
You know, I ain't really been doing. I've been ripping and running, bro. This right here, once I get a hold of it and look at it, I could just. It's easy when you can continue a decision that you already made. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's next is already like kind of carved into a few different scenarios. Which you made a choice from 1,000 scenarios at first. Now you down to like 100. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's only a few things that can happen in my book. And DOGE actually fucking it crossed that 12-cent marker before I noticed. You know what I'm saying? And to see it at 16 when I came in, that's why I started hitting the damn soundboard and shit because I wasn't leaving already. It was already too late. You know what I'm saying? Though, to keep it on 1,000. You feel me? Like, so
I feel like we need some of these.
I ended up popping the total chart on, and the only 4 things I get on the screen that I'm sharing is Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, total. You know what I'm saying? Nothing else. Like, only things that matter right now. All trades can be based off just those subjugations because anything that moves in between what this is doing, you better move it while it's doing it because once it's done doing it, then that's when this just took off. Because Sheeb and Doge and Sheeb and Sheeb and Doge, and then as soon as Doge got done, Bitcoin was running right behind it. Ether stayed in the negative until Bitcoin crossed like 63.9 or something like that, and then Ether picked up and Bitcoin went to 64.
Dude, Bonk is ripping like really crazy.
It just basics. It just you know, like the basic. It's the basic pattern, basically, man. I don't care what you want to call that motherfucker. Put it in the shape of, as long as you can identify and actually identify. You know what I'm saying? Like to where when it goes to make that move, you call and it's make the move at that point. That's it. You know what I'm saying? And you take it based upon that. You don't really need like confirmation because you know once it passes a certain point. So you can do it in 2 ways: at the point or before the point. You know the formulation. So I try to do a buy-in sometimes on the catch and the falling knife side. If I don't get it right at that point, it's not a bounce back. It's going to either be a rounded bottom or a bark bottom. You know what I'm saying? Just think about it like that. And that's how it's gonna come to you, though. You know what I'm saying? No matter what, it don't matter. That's what it's gonna do, though. No matter how many times it got to go down or go up to catch the form. You know what I'm saying? So that make you have to watch after a big move, you got to watch the small move, and you got to watch the small move to a mega move. And then you got to be looking on the outside to see what the big move about to turn into or going to continue to be. And that's why I never had to change my TA or nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yep.
Look at Silly. What's Silly trying to do? Oh, I see. Okay. This is the shitcoin I've been
Hey,
trading.
and in the midst of that, though, y'all little brochure right there, y'all, 65.5 on fucking CoinEx, man. Let's go. I finally hit 400% on that side, on this new side.
Waiting for DOGE to like bust this top here of 16.7.
But y'all see that? Did y'all see that 65 before 17? That let you know who got the dominance, Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Solana, we can look at that. I put Solana.
Oh, yeah, what's Solana up to? It's been days since that thing has done anything at all. Oh yeah. It's okay.
Trading Doge? Rick,
What's that?
are you trading Doge?
I was in a trade on Doge, but maybe I'm thinking of reopening because it's about to break out potentially. And it's kind of like it's kind of been like held back a little, like it hasn't fully run just yet since the highs that it made a couple hours ago. So yeah, it could do a nice move here. See if it sticks it.
Soul fucking look beautiful, honestly, right? But it's a rise and wedge formation. But it's the same rise and wedge formation Bitcoin just broke out of, like 3 times in a row, basically, right now. So I with using the bigger market from Ether as well, I would give it this lag time and not allow it to fake me like it's gonna fall. And I would think in my eyes that it would play the same and will everything else just break that formation. I got it on a daily what I'm looking at. Because Ether would probably be like more of an hourly or a minute compared to that. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't bet it going down. I would like 65-35 type shit. And I'm leaning towards it breaking the rise and wedge going up.
It's been like resting. It's been resting on the 2023 high recently. It's got like it looks like this at the moment, like inverse head and shoulders potentially.
When I look at it on the weekly, it is doing what Bitcoin did with that falling wedge from a natural high, and we just now about to compensate ourselves across, and I would call it the halfway point almost, into where it's 2 weeks again, like I was showing you, Rick, to find the median.
Oh, look at that, we're through 65,000. Dude, we're higher than that high of the start of 2021. We're higher. Bitcoin's higher than the... I need to get up another chart. I need to get up the index chart so I can get a clear snapshot.
So, bro, before you get done too fast, 148 will be the target to make or break. 148.
Look at that. We're above. We're technically above this high from... let me just line it up. Yeah, we are above it. There's all-time high up there. It's a long ways up, but not when you stretch it. I mean, not when you put it all into context. It's right there. It's right there. bullish, dude. We're gonna have an all-time high soon. I feel it. It's only 4,000. It's less than $4,000 away.
Give me a time frame, Rick. 3 days.
Oh, dude. Okay, to give you context, we've come up $4,000 in 4 days. March has been 4 days so far.
Yes,
Over 4th of March, we've come up 4,000 already in 4 days. So, dude, it could do it in a matter of hours. Honestly, if we get a good breakout,
you know, I like it.
Yeah. So the altcoins are loving this. The momentum, like, if you had any doubt on what Bitcoin was trying to tell everyone, look at that February candle, man. The writing is on the wall. With that like,
that's the bullish engulf.
What the hell says bearish about that? It's parabolic, man. Dude, I think March is gonna March. I mean,
Ohio right there.
I don't want to sound like a moon boy, but I think March has the potential to match, if not do better than February.
And that's that 13 I'm talking about one more time. Give us 13 again.
That sounds so moon boyish.
Man, it sounded like it before. Hey, no, Rick, take the put the log on. You got the log on. Put the log on so the people see the back end, the UV in the back. Just zoom just the U and the V. Yeah, I like that monthly look. You know the U, the V that I call Eve Adam. Oh, yeah, just right. Like boom.
Yeah, let them get that.
To the left right there, your left at the 19. 19 to the left. Yeah, that's Eve. Eve Adam.
Like this?
Yeah, Eve Adam. And then Adam, Eve. Haha, look at the little round bowl. Yeah, yes it is. Nope, the whole thing.
Oh, this whole thing.
Yeah, because see right there where you come down to, that's your neckline. Look at that. That's your whole neckline. If you look at the formation of it,
let me fix this.
If you look at that pattern in the textbook, the straight V, V back, and then the U. Yeah. Yes, sir. And you do the neckline of that. Look at that. Check your neckline. Yes, sir. And that's a textbook. That is a textbook.
You mean like this thing?
Nope. Horizontal. When you do an Eve Adam pattern for it to be successful,
you mean like the all-time high?
You gotta come down and check the neckline from the high to the high after the U. So the 50%er of the high was 20,000 and what for what's that 17?
Look at this. We're 65.2. We're 65.
Oh my! Don't play with me, dude. We're playing.
Look at that.
And that's reading on index right now. Oh shit!
Yeah, the index. Yeah.
65.3 right now. 345 on CoinEx. We hit 65,699.99 cents. Oh my! I'm gonna get a picture of that.
Straight to 65.8 right now. Like I was saying that fucking like 10 minutes ago. I'm like, it's just gonna go straight to 65.8 right now.
What the hell you think I've been talking about, baby?
I don't know. I guess I missed the boat. Waiting for a bigger correction. Maybe.
Oh, dude. Counting on pullbacks in a parabola is danger.
Yeah, but you don't like. It wasn't obvious that it was a parabola until. I mean, dude. Honestly, okay. So the whole 38 shit.
Pattern been obvious for a long time, brother. Me.
The whole 38 shit right here, like that was just madness. Like,
I mean,
I wouldn't have thought that would hold up there.
Is this? I don't know, man. Like, look. Let me get this parabola in.
65.8. 60. Oh,
parabolic curve right there. Boom. Ain't no
okay, 65.8, 66.5. 67.
The thing about parabola is that the further it goes up, the further it goes up, the closer it gets to the parabola. And then the more, as soon as it crosses it, it like spells disaster.
Right, but
is anybody drinking? Can we get some shots in this motherfucker?
Look at what happened to fucking DXY, dude. As soon as DXY broke its parabolic trend, dude, it fucking collapsed completely.
I have a feeling I'm not going to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna go grab the crown.
Oh yeah, there's another parabola. I mean, like, how many examples does Bitcoin need to give everyone that it gets on parabolas? in bull markets. Like boom, boom, boom.
Oh shit, Bitcoin. Rick, talk loud. Let's be loud. Fuck this shit. Come from down fucking under.
Yeah, it was arguable like the one in 2018 could have been looking like it was, but then it got rejected from the 618. So
look out, our 2018.
Hey, I didn't even know how to read a fucking chart, bro.
This shit.
And when I came in, Rick
that looked like it could have
been
been the same fucking thing, dude.
Could have been.
No, a pattern can't be another pattern. You need 3 patterns to confirm one pattern.
If you, I will show you what, and you are not wrong, dude. There was a 2019-esque parabola, like a very reminiscent of 2019. I'll show you. We broke it, but we reclaimed it. I'll show you that parabola right here. Like, I think you have to do it logarithmic, but.
It went
so
right up to the 618.
You got the Sam Bankman-Fried low, and you were doing that, or even I think it's that.
Even all the way up to 48K.
Like that got broken, that got busted down right there. Boom.
Fuck that. Just remember when they told me it wasn't going to 40, then it wasn't going to 50. Fuck that. Remember, we wasn't supposed to go to 25 and 30. We could do all of that shit. Man, listen, this shit we need to be building on right now is where this fucker supposed to stop at if we break this high. Well, when we break the high. That's it. This shit right here, or trying to catch the bottom of one of the dips. You know what I'm saying?
It just,
This is what we need to really be focusing on. You feel what I'm saying? No, that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on y'all to break the top question, like, when it hit where it's supposed to hit at, what's the stop? That's what I'm looking for too. Like, so when we make a new high, we need to do some retracement on this right here, Rick, because I know I'm gonna forget. We need to be doing retracement from when we make a high. Where do we fall and find the bottom? What's the percent to where we know what's the range from when we make a high to where the fuck we fall? Somebody please record that and help us.
Yeah, there will be a point. Maybe here, maybe at the all-time high, where it cracks the parabola.
Yeah,
we get a correction, but then we come back up.
I still hold them same numbers from the basement, Rick. We hit that 69, I thought we was gonna do that 74.5 or whatever the fuck it was. I believe that's gonna be the first number out the gate. I believe that's gonna be the first number out.
My Doge trade's up, man. Look at that.
Yep.
Look at that.
I just think it's gonna be so strong when we go to break, bro, that if you don't got a number, you won't be able to sell at all. You're gonna have to hold. So if you in a perpetual situation or a future kind, whatever, if you don't got a lucrative liquidation area to where it's like can withstand the gap. So even if you got that and then you buy in too soon before this happens, you know what I'm saying? You will be liquidated so fast because of where it's going. It's gonna need all the money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, dude. It's gonna get real volatile.
But this is what's coming though, fast. And I thought after we hit that one number, we were supposed to go back to I was thinking like the 38 or some shit like that, and we never really got it. We got it before we took off. You know what I'm saying? So my theory, I was trying to work in reverse still. So reverse engineering wise, what if it's about us hitting that, breaking that 69 area, whatever it could be, $1, $2, $1,000. You don't even gotta do 74, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Just throw everything out the window. You know what I mean? Fuck everything. Boom. Where do we think, even right now, we know what we went to, we know what's comfortable. What would we be comfortable to right now, though? Just, we break that motherfucker. Would we be comfortable going to 15 again?
I would. I mean, I'd buy the crap out of it.
I mean, that's what I'm scared of. That's what I'm scared of. I think
everyone would be trying to buy it that it wouldn't ever get there
Yeah,
because so
everyone
many
would be too
people would be
bullish.
trying to buy it before it got there.
It scared me both ways though, bro, right? Because they know people that held from then till now back down, right? And back up right now too. See what I'm talking about? So they know certain motherfuckers that they think they get hot, this gonna hold anyway. But 90% most likely would hurry and bail if it started to fall, right? 90%, because they, especially the people who was in for the beginning, they at least sell a little percentage of it because they know when it got down to that bottom, when they waiting on it, that's when they would really try to get it. They probably already got numbers in their head. You know how that shit work, right? But say it do the fakey though. You know what I'm saying? Like you've been doing right now.
If you're up 3x, you only have to sell 30% of your bag, and you get your initial. Listen to what I'm saying.
Yes,
you
sir,
sell 30% of your bag, you get your initial investment back, and then all of the rest of the coins you can keep them because they're free.
No, they don't care about that part of it, bro.
But they're free though. They're free. So why would you care if it goes to the negative if it's free?
They're looking for a collective. So people that were able to withstand when it fell from 69 that were buying in, the bag holders, right? Some bag holders are going to actually sell as soon as they get a chance. You know what I'm saying? That's the actual regular. You know what I'm saying? That's the actual regular thing
just
to do.
Break even. Just to
you
break
know what
even.
I mean? No, for sure. Especially if you didn't get a chance to accumulate it around the bottom. You know what I mean?
Dude, that's what causes resistance. That's actually what causes. That's the technical reason that resistance occurs.
My question started off with thinking we already understood all that. You know what I'm saying? So I was damn.
Well, also the reason why why it goes so parabolic after price discovery is because there are no bag holders. Once it gets to a new all-time high price, there is no bag holder that exists.
Who pays the perpetual people, contract people, whatever it is? Who pays the people that bet? That's what it all is. Once we do whatever we do, besides holding spot, it's a bet. So the people that bet, who pay the bettors?
The winners pay the losers pay the winners.
No, because if
the market makers.
If it's not enough losers to pay the winners, the house pays.
Yeah, but they get that money from liquidating people on the other side.
Okay. So now we're speeding the conversation back up, baby. There we go. You know what I'm saying? So the perpetual money actually does feed for spot. Because it pushes the price like an auction. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I mean, if people sell on spot, it's still going to affect the price of perpetuals. You can't really.
Same thing as the winning trade versus liquidation. If a person doesn't get liquidated, they win the trade, then they are the lucrative position of that. So they would be the adverse effect of the opposite. You know what I'm saying? Though? Just like that, though. And say that or is the real basic of the rule. Because we don't know what the rules are. So I'm trying to use something that I've been looking at as a formulation of rules because that's what I've been going by. I'm just trying to express it.
Yeah, I get you.
You know what I'm saying, though? So if that's what we basically looking at, you know what I'm saying, though?
Yeah, they affect each other.
Yes, sir. We are counterproductive to each other. Yes, sir. Fuck right, man. All the 100%, bro. You feel me? Like, so especially when it comes to not listening to one another, because we take banging fucking trades. That's all. That's it. We just got to figure it out. And especially when you get that perfect entry, you really don't know what that was the perfect entry because you feel like that about everything, but not really though, because it's something that makes you feel different when you get that one. You just know. That's why I left again as soon as I came back, because I was able to catch up for where I left off at. You feel what I'm saying? And the pattern, it didn't fucking change, bro. I don't know what you want me to say. That's why I come back, cats and bams, bitch, and dragons and yeah, scallops and shit, man. You hear me?
Scallops and shit, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like that is that. Bro. So okay, we got a Nessie right now. In real reality, on the 1 hour, we got a real-time Nessie forming. Damn, that's funny. I thought it was a miniature. We got a Nessie forming on the fucking 1 hour, and we at 65,000, y'all. 65.3, man. Y'all hear me? And then we got a full Nessie to where it's gonna make a big ass scallop. And we know the scallop do at least a 10 to 20, 30% thing when it goes straight up like that before it retract and make another cut. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck would that take us to, y'all? At least almost damn 68, 9,000. You see what I'm saying? A complete jump.
Yeah, I don't know what a
68.5, but 68.5 is what I'm looking for, because it's, you know, I play measured moves. You know what I'm saying? So what it called for is it called for a measured move, Brody. It's a pattern. It's just something else that we got to study to put with the other bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't one thing that can make it right. It's everything. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Just like one thing can affect everything. That's the average for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, that's all I can tell you. This shit right here, though, we got they butt in the bag.
That bull flag has me gonna break out.
We don't need to be the fucking ones trading against each other or against ourselves by not following suit, which would be the trend. You know what I'm saying? We need to we need to find a way why the trend gonna break. You see what I'm saying, though? Or a pattern, something that we can identify. It's not gonna be the RSIs and indicators that everybody should be looking at already. You should have noticed that by now. Shit burnt out by now. That's why I don't even got them on my chart. Just the volume.
Yeah. We've been doing like swing fail plays, man. On the buy side and the sell side, it's been pretty cool.
It's the trick, Vic. That's they make that tricky when you trying to count coming from the left, because you do sometimes account for the bottom count, sometimes you don't.
We did
and
like
the same look. It throw you off, bro. That's what I can say, bro. It throw you the fuck off.
We did like a almost like a group trade. It wasn't really a group trade. We just all were looking at the same thing and we're like agreeing.
Oh, you never. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear about it, because you know you would never tell me y'all did no shit like that with it behind my back. That's how I feel about it. That's how the fuck I feel about it. So everybody hear me right now. Behind my motherfucking back, when I was the first, I don't know, I couldn't have been the first one, but I came with a diligent idea and I almost got banned in the beginning because that motherfucker told me, "Why are you here?"
Who said
Where's
that?
your prayer? I said, what? I come to learn, and if I possibly can, teach. Like, so, like, you know what I'm saying? So you mean tell me we went from that to y'all did that shit for real?
No, it was we were just looking at the same chart and we were like, oh yeah, this looks like a good entry, and we're following the swing failure of a buy for a long, and it worked, and a couple of people were in it and took it. I think did you take it quiet? Lucrative did, and he made it's a good trade. And
yeah, I took it
as well. Yeah. So they all three guys. I hypothetically did it because I was just explaining a point. And
yeah, by the way, there you can check that out in general. I'm still in it.
Hey, well, nice man. $130, beautiful.
This is just our little theoretical fucking trade.
Yeah, there. Just off a little example. Yeah,
I threw like $20 on it.
Yeah, exactly. It's beautiful. Man, that's the funny thing about bull runs and bull trends is like everyone looks like a genius, I guess.
Yeah. But everyone is a genius. That's the thing. Everyone is a genius in a bull market.
That's right. You just buy and hold, man. But
this guy,
it's not always that easy. It's not always that easy.
Or you just buy all the breakouts and hope to God that you don't get liquidated.
Yeah.
But the real called it from 18K, bro.
I ain't tripping, man. Check this out, though. 65 or better. So, you know, Doge didn't do 17, it's about to. Once Doge do 17, we're going to do 66, man. 66.5.
Doge did 17.
Oh
Man,
well, oh
look,
well.
whiff, man.
Since it
That
did 17, we gonna do
that
66.5.
that
Either fucking
hypothetical.
way.
That
Check my track
hypothetical.
record, man. Check my track record, man. You don't get your number before I get mine unless I agree with you.
That was the
Don't nobody agree
hypothetical
with
trade.
me. Don't
Down
nobody
there.
agree with me. Don't
I'm
nobody
the
agree
only
with me.
I'm the only one that held it, Rick. I'm the only one that fucking held
Everyone took profit. Yeah,
it.
that's so
I
Look
funny.
at what happened.
trade. Hey, listen though, because of a lot of negativity in this room, in this area, in this space, just like that, I've canceled a lot of winning trades.
Oh, dude, I've
A lot
cut
of
trades
these
early
same, a lot of
from
these same
bad
numbers,
sentiment.
a lot of these
Yeah,
same
if there's
calls. I've been shunned enough. Can we stop that shit? I said when I came in, I was just trying to be working together and stuff. I've been having me a couple drinks. I don't want to hear the bullshit. Listen, not tonight. We supposed to be working together.
what negativity are you talking about, Darrell?
Not tonight.
Oh, you meant
You're
like
just
from
being
weeks
drunk.
ago, like
You're
from weeks ago.
being drunk.
You know, I'm just flagrantly. I mean, I'm doing the technical foul on myself. Right in the middle of the game. Boop, boop, no. Just belly flop. I'm not passing the ball. Well, you got to get a fucking Willie card to get down here. No. So we need to believe in people more than we do. First off, we are better people than that. Acknowledgement is not sudden to be given or taken. It's just acknowledgement. It's like seeing the light in your face. You know it's time to wake up when the sun hits you. You know what I'm saying? Or else remove the drapes and stop acting like that. You just don't know outside is outside. Go outside, look around.
What the fuck are you talking about, Darrell?
Because sometimes, man, conviction, people be seeing things like they just know it for real, bro. Then they mislead people, and then whatever. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not jumping in front of no moving car nor train. I wouldn't get in front of nobody riding a scooter electrically, and then just gonna run into me. If they had a you know, they was kick powered, I might be able to try to take them. But I'm not getting in front of nobody.
Cardano.
It's machine. I'm not getting in front of the machine. I ain't getting in front of the machine. Don't do that right now. I just want to talk some stuff though. But listen, I believe we got a good chance. I believe we got a good chance, y'all. Like that's why I was trying to trick Rick into telling me what he thought, so I could think. I couldn't think without him. You see that?
Yeah.
So I was
you don't have to trick me, man. I'll give it to you for free. You have to trick me.
Listen. I love to critique. I love to be critiqued too. You see what I'm saying? Though, like, so that's why I be badgering people too. Like, right? That's what we supposed to do. Iron sharpen iron. We don't supposed to be intimidated or nothing like that. To when somebody say something to them. You need to be able to. It's called constructive criticism. You know what I'm saying? The acceptance is a big thing in life. You know what I'm saying? You can't even change nothing until you accept something wrong.
All right.
Or something you don't like.
First step.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not possible, bro.
You know what they used to say that all the time in AA. When they used to go to AA meetings all the time.
Man, listen, whatever, bro. Chill, fuck out. Like, we gotta be nicer. That just, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuckers just gotta be a little nicer, you know? Like, that's it. That's the fuck all, you know? But other than that, though, I'll still be on y'all ass about how y'all be finding the short. So why y'all worried about? We should be trying to figure this shit out. You know? Yeah. We just need to. It's something y'all know when y'all take y'all short. Y'all know.
Man,
too.
who would have thought, Jack? Dog with hat, my dude. What it has done.
Man,
like, what the hell?
Okay.
What planet is this?
Dude,
Look at that.
Really are in crazy times, man.
Y'all, I think y'all aliens too, though. Cause I'm a conspirator, so I think y'all aliens anyway. Y'all be like, how the fuck do they do that shit?
I think humanity's alien for sure. I think, yeah.
We're adaptional people, man. Only thing you can make us do is adapt. That's like a frog in the
adaptional.
That's that G.
Man, WIF's gonna go to like freaking $18 or something. It's at $1.80 right now.
What the fuck? Why couldn't Doge do this? Like back in the day, like
because it has done it has done that.
I know, but like for it to go to like what was it? 2 cents before?
Well, we need to.
This WIF shit?
What you need to do
What
is
did WIF
figure out. No, you need to understand the
Doge
market cap where WIF lives. Where does WIF live on the charts in the list?
Dude, is that like 60?
Rick, can being nice to Doge be part of the same contract we was talking about? You don't do that. I like Doge.
Couple whiff of that. 60, number 60. It's a page 1, man. You know how there's like the first 100 of page 1?
Yeah, it's in the
page
top
100.
100.
It's a
what
fucking,
the fuck?
It's a first pager. Floki.
What
Dog
the
with hat.
fuck,
There it is,
dude?
boy. Whiff. Oh man, that's
Oh my god, it's insane. I can't wait to short this fucking thing. I'm going to short the ever-living shit out of this coin, dude.
When
it's gonna collapse just like Doge.
Did anybody see that coming? 148
Oh,
sold.
here you go. Just in case you missed it, about Dog with Hat. Popular meme, Dog with Hat vibes with friends on chain. And that's it. That's all you get. That's all you get,
Damn,
man.
dude. What an insightful fucking article there.
You know those kids in school that are just not academic, and they had an assignment to do that was like 6,000 words or something, or 3,000 words, and they hand in a sheet of paper with a title and one sentence. That's what it's like. That's what that's like. That's funny. Dog with hat. Well,
because it doesn't make any fucking sense. There's literally no reason. The only reason people want it is because they're buying. Is because there's other people buying it and making the price go up.
Well, yeah,
and that makes other people want to buy it.
It's the Dogecoin.
That's the only fucking reason.
It's the Dogecoin vibes. You know, Doge did this in its day. Just for no reason, it just went up like crazy, and everyone agreed to do it, and it just did. But anyway, look, can you tell it's getting silly? Can you tell? It is getting silly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting fucking silly as fuck.
Silly. Like, you need to check your head. I mean, silly. There's a coin called Silly, and it's still like trending. You know, if you know that it's silly, you can trade silly. You know, if you just know what it's up, you know what's up. Let's get on Silly Dragon. Yeah, man, Silly Dragon. That Yakovenko guy or whatever, Anatoly Yakovenko. Yakovenkov.
Oh my god, man, I can't even believe that WIF is number 60. That is so ridiculous.
I mean, I bet you there's some altcoins that everyone loves that it has gotten ahead of. Let's see, what is it ahead of? WIF in 60th. It's ahead of EGLD. It's ahead of Audi. It's ahead of Aave. Sand. It's beating Sand and Floki and Fetch AI, Fet. Axis Infinity, AXS, Quant, Miner. It's ahead of Miner.
Mina, dude, it's like,
Mina.
Oh my god.
Chili's, it's better than Chili's. It's bigger and better. It's bigger than Apecoin. I mean, look, it's gonna correct. There's gonna be a point where it does correct. But yo, Jasmy's in 87th. It's doing well. It's up 275% since January. Year to date. Man, that's wild.
What the fuck is that, Rick?
This is Coin Market Cap. Year to
No,
date.
damn that. I was on total. When I
Oh,
seen
look.
total, I changed it. Bitcoin looked just like it.
It's capping out the year to date, man. It's up 1,102% since January the 1st.
It's done a 10x. It's done a
The
10x
second-
since January.
Yeah, Pepe the Frog is only half the performance of what WIF has done since January. Jasmy's not bad. Jasmy's the 4th best out of the top 100 to move at the moment.
Yeah, and it's gonna keep fucking going, dude. It's going to 5 cents.
Where's Monero? Oh, Monero's down. Quant is down. Sats is down since January. Man, that's weird. To have a coin down at the moment since January? What the hell?
Well, they're consolidating.
I guess.
They're not really
Yeah.
down. They're just like they made a lower high since the ETF.
Oh, look. Surprise, surprise. XRP. It's up 2%.
2%.
January. Avalanche. Oh, ICP. It's up
stable coin, dude.
0.84%. Internet. Oh man. Look, I think if ICP has any
that was
kind
a
of
nice
action in the
dip
future,
in. So y'all saying, I see what y'all looking at there. So what Bitcoin just did, you telling me that ain't nothing?
oh yeah, that's a nice little.
Yep.
That's a little.
There you go. There you go. Ooh, Lord.
We've seen one of them. Look, right there. That's one.
Say no more. That's the same thing. I just told my wife earlier.
I did one over here. These like spike downs to shake everyone
You can
off.
count on.
Yeah, there's a lot of them, man. But now that we've done one, like, okay, will this get crazier? Or I think when you get the next candle that confirms
that's the scallop. Now you're doing the handle. See that? You see that spike right there?
Yeah.
Boom. And then that right there, the U, that's the scallop. And now you're gonna do a handle and you're gonna spike out.
Like that, like a Nike
Yeah.
tick.
That's called a J hook.
The J.
Yeah, you like that?
That's a J hook, though.
Yeah. You can call it what you
Well,
like.
I'm gonna go get
the J hook.
I'm gonna go get some food. You guys can hold it down. The YouTube is running. What's up, YouTube? Smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification, all that good shit.
Smash the like. Yeah, dude, is that what you've been saying as a scallop? Because I didn't know what the fuck you were talking about before, but if it's a J hook, like, then I know exactly what a scallop is.
Scallop, J hook, see that? Even without that spike down in the center, it's still the same thing. Because see, it's a bigger one that this little one is playing out. This little one is the handle for a bigger one, which becomes just a part of the bigger one. Now it's gonna make another handle. That's all.
Damn. I wish I took some profit on that trade. It was so close to my profit zone too. Fuck.
Damn, 65.8 on fucking CoinEx. Oh, well, 65742. Yeah, that's a good second week right there. I like that right there. Let's fucking go.
Oh, US 500 is perked up too.
Oh my man. I think
Really?
we got a chance, bro. That's all we need is a chance, man. We take this motherfucker over. Boom, boom, boom. 65 right now on CoinX. Ooh, that was good right there. Okay. Okay. I like that. Add a move right here. Can we break it? Oh, Bitcoin. Don't go to sleep yet. There may be a riot. Or they gonna trim us for our money, make us die. One way or another, it could be a riot.
Rick's music is fucking so trippy.
Yeah, it
lo-fi.
is.
It's like relaxing, but also wicked trippy at the same time. Like, what the fuck are the people in the background saying? Like, I always wonder that shit.
Yeah.
I mean, I love lo-fi, but the fucking whatever song he's got on there all the time is just like. It's like, what the fuck is that person saying?
Yeah. I deserve you.
What the
It's so good. Yeah, it's very weird. YouTube's gonna think I'm very weird.
Yeah, it's everything's pumping. Every fucking thing in the world is pumping.
Oh yeah,
right
the
now.
goat
This is
song.
ridiculous.
Not Jasmine.
How does the goat song go
Hammered by
again?
that Bitcoin retracer.
What? Jasmine, dude. I was saying
Goat.
like an hour ago that Jasmine looked good for a long.
Dude, what
Not
was the
even that,
goat
like
song?
20 minutes ago.
Yeah, but I was saying like an hour ago. I was saying like, oh, dude, Jasmine's actually coming down. Like the stochastic low in the 15s looking pretty good for a long. And then I like about 20 minutes ago, I said Jasmine's breaking it. Like, cause I was talking to Rick and I was like, look at that perfect fucking bull flag that it's forming on the fucking 15-minute. And I was like, this would actually be a good spot to long. And then I was saying that it looks like it's about 20 minutes ago. I said it's looking like it's breaking out of that. But
Was it SoundCloud?
yeah, I don't know. It
Yeah,
did look
maybe
like it
was.
fucking got shot back down for a second there.
Yeah, what was my SoundCloud?
It's still above the 200 on the 5-minute. So if it breaks this trend line, it's probably gonna take off.
Welcome back to SoundCloud. Man, I haven't logged in this thing for a long time.
You said you got hammered, like you got stopped out.
Yeah.
What leverage are you on?
That was 10x.
Oh.
Well, was it this one?
Yeah, with Jasmine, you can kind of let it go a little bit further.
Remember this one?
What the hell?
I
Did
used to
Rick's
play
music
this.
just change?
Yeah, back in
It
2021.
was his music. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, with Jasmine, you can kind of give it a little bit of a chance to breathe because it usually fucking bounces back. It's been really strong lately. So like when I was first starting to enter my position, I didn't even have a stop loss. I was just building a position. Like it took me like 2 days to build a big position and just averaged into it over the course of like 2 days. Because I knew it was in a good spot, like a good area, but I just didn't want to go all in all at once. Because then, you know, I would have been scared if it was to go down a lot. So every time I added to the position, I added a little bit of margin. You know, wait to see if it went lower, I'd fucking add a little more to the position, add a little more to margin at the same time.
Maybe
You know,
it's this
so I don't know. That's how I ended up building the position. I didn't actually start putting stop losses until I was way in the profit.
Gotcha.
I don't know. I mean, it has ran hard, but it still like it still has been looking pretty strong. That's all I can say. Like if I had been scalping this whole thing, or if I had been scalping this thing the whole time, I could have made a bunch of extra fucking buku. I should have had a second account to do that with.
193.
Yeah, I just like MEXC a lot, and I didn't want to have to keep track of more than one account at a time. I guess for futures.
That's the only way to go.
Oh, was it stay or remember or something? I think it might have been stay.
All right, Whiff, what are you doing here?
It was maybe this one. There's some songs in here I haven't played in years on my streams. Let me just flick through it.
If Jasmine does decide to reject from here, it should stay above the 200 on the 5 minute. Oh wait, is it? Oh, let me look at the 15. If it was to test the bottom of this wedge, even somewhere around 237, 6, 237 or 238 area. I would still think that would be a good place to long. If it was to reject from this angular, if it breaks this angular, which it looks like it's trying to do, then that might be a good long to break out. Here, I'll put a picture. I'll put a screenshot of it in general.
I see what you're saying. I got it.
And as long as it holds that previous top that it had from before, around 238, it's the perfect setup. I might even just add a little bit to my own trade.
Let's go big one for the out. Take it out. Take it out. Let's go, baby.
There was this one. Remember.
Is Whiff gonna push more, or is it fucking done? Is it down for the fucking count?
Now
Keeps
for the
asking
seconds.
that. It keeps acting like it's gonna go up more, and then it doesn't.
Bitcoin the old thing. You gotta give its breath, toe goofy, take a bathroom break.
No, I'm talking about Whiff.
Which one?
Whiff.
Ain't nothing moving without Bitcoin tonight.
What?
Ain't nothing doing no moving without Bitcoin doing some good moving. You gotta find the rhythm. Bitcoin about to do some more moving here in a second.
Oh. Hopefully it drags Whiff up with it, because I'm trying to get to a take profit zone.
Solana's actually on the move, finally. This song's just gonna loop. What's that one you were laughing about again?
Okay, Bitcoin, quietly and excitedly.
Oh shit!
Let's break
That
this
candle.
shit. 66 fucking thousand. And then
Quietly and excitedly.
What a ripper!
That's motherfucking that. Let's go.
Wow, what a gun! Bitcoin just keeps getting them highs, man.
This is with a fucking scallop, dude, man. Let those scallops. Don't do it. Give me some butter on the shrimp.
Where did you hear the term scallop?
Yeah, J-Hook.
Yeah, I mean, what he's described on the chart is it looked like a J-hook, but I mean, I don't know where I'm wondering where you heard the term scallop.
What's happening, dude? You there? Oh, my mic was off, I see. What's happening, dude? Someone came in and said something.
Oh, we're just looking at this Jasmine.
Ah, there you are. Consume. What's happening? I'm looking at Solana. Solana chart.
Yeah, how's it looking? Cheddar had a position open overnight.
Nice. Or on Solana.
Yeah, in Solana, I think he had 5K on it.
Oh wow. Yeah, if this can break 138 bucks and travel up, damn, that'd be excellent. Bitcoin's, I mean, it just looks very bullish. I can't, how else do you can't cut it any other way. It's very bullish. Yeah, Solana's about to take off, I feel. Come on, Sol. Yeah, let's just crack through the 50% retracement level. Zooming out on the weekly, hiding this line. Just hide it. What's that line there? It's the high of 2020 through 2024. Hide that as well. We'll just hide all the lines. So we're trying to crack through this 0.5 fib retracement level. It'd be cool to see it come up to the 618 finally. I know that there's a lot of people that have targets around 143 because of this high here. Big fishbowl. Yeah, Solana has had quite the rest. It seems it's been resting for a long time. It's finally getting that move up. It's good. I want to get above this one, this level here, which is about 138 bucks. We're at 134 at the moment. Put Solana back in the box. It's this running, boys.
Rick, I hope you got a chance to get some trades in yourself.
Yeah, I'm trading right now. Yeah. Trading on my other monitor. Making some cash.
What you trading, bro?
Solana. Just on 5x leverage.
Oh, that big long,
5x leverage.
like that big one?
Yeah, man. Solana.
Oh, it's at 134. Not bad.
Yep. It's about to hit an important line, $135. Let's hide this fib retracement. Turn on the price levels. Oh, those are from the past. These are old levels. Yeah, there we go. That's looking like a nice candle. Solana. Let's go to the 5 minute. 15 minute. Zoom out a little. Left.
Damn, mic will never work. What's up, my dudes?
Yo. Just
I
check
went to
out.
go get.
Solana did a little bit of a push up. It's so slow though compared to the dogs.
Yeah,
For scalping.
it's crazy
It's very slow.
how
but
fast
it's a
they're
good,
fucking moving.
it's a good holder. A long-term holder, Solana.
Yeah,
But, you know.
dude, I only wish that I had bought some at like $8, $9, $10,
Yeah.
$12 even.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
next bear market, we'll know. We'll know better.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, what if
Just gotta
Solana's
feverishly
like, what if by the next bear market Solana is the new Litecoin?
Oh,
You know, like, what if it's
sluggish
kind
and
of-
boring? Yeah, I don't know. Litecoin's got a totally different use case than Solana. Solana's a layer 1, like, protocol type ecosystem coin, whereas Litecoin's just a currency coin used for payments. That's all. So totally different. But
Dude, I bought Solana at $14. And I also bought it at $250. That's the story of my life. I bought the bottom and I bought the top. Can you imagine? Of everything that I own.
yeah,
I think that all of us did. It's just that we didn't all hold the entire time.
Like, I bought the heaviest at the top and I had no money at the bottom. With whatever little was left is what I bought.
Yeah, well, what sucks is like you just happen to have that money on hand while we were at the top and while everyone's like emotions were high and like the mania phase. That's what sucks. Like me and Crispy, we didn't have a lot of money. Like there was like we each had a couple grand that we started investing like before Dogecoin blew up. I mean, we were buying in at tops and shit too, but we didn't like when shit started going down. Like I would buy something and it would just start tanking, and I'd be like, "What the fuck?" And I would sell it, and then I would go and I would try to buy something else. It would start tanking, so I'd fucking sell it, and then after so many times of doing that, I was like, "You know what? Fuck this! I'm just losing money. I'm just gonna wait until everything's done dropping." And then when everything was done dropping, I started putting my money back in, and then when I really like had a bunch of extra funds to be able to put in, everything was already fucking taken off already. So I get it, man. I mean, I bought the tops. I bought some bottoms like in the last like bull market when we were coming out, like the newer stuff that was coming out. You know, I bought some stuff really low. I ended up selling it really high, but I ended up buying stuff back really high. So I bought some tops too. I didn't hold everything down the whole way.
No, what I'm saying is why the point being that generally in life you'll always have money when at the top, you'll be broke at the bottom.
Yeah, that's how it always is. Like, you know, I mean, I think
So
a lot of
look
us.
at look, what I'm trying to say is also look at like the stock market doing so well. People will have money now. All the people, the retailers. I'm not talking about the big whales and all. They obviously will have. But people from there, like people like us, would have made money in stock market. Then suddenly they'll hear about crypto now, and with that money they'll jump in. You get what I'm saying? Just like me,
Yeah.
I also did the same thing.
Well, so what Crispy actually did is like we both started buying stuff at the same time. It's just that he bought and held all the way up, and I was buying and selling all the way up. And basically, he kind of round tripped it. And on the way down, he started buying, like on all the dips, he started buying. And then it would go lower and he would just buy more. And then it would go lower and he would just buy more. So he kept putting more and more money in as it went lower. So it wasn't like he was throwing in big lump sums of money, just what he had extra, like when he fucking got paid.
nice.
So, you know, it's like he's been dollar cost averaging. He's been buying all the way down too, but he never sold stuff that, like, there's stuff that he's still been holding that he first started buying at like those top zones, you know, and he's just been buying. Like the further down it goes, the more the more he kept buying, and now eventually he's got some pretty good averages. We were down so low for so long and he just never stopped buying and dollar cost averaging, and now he's got some pretty low averages, and he's got a lot of coins. I mean, he kept trying to get me to do the same thing, but I was like, dude, look, like I have this much money to work with. I'm like, so I'm like, unless I go and get a job and just don't trade at all ever, then I'm not going to be able to do it the same way that you're doing it.
Lucky for him, he didn't buy heavy at the top. Like I bought heavy. You get what I'm saying? Then to average that heavy is not possible.
Yeah, it's really not unless you have like 10 times the amount that you put in at the top. It's so hard. I mean, I think you've been doing pretty fucking well considering how heavy you bought in on so many things that so close to the top. I think you've been doing really well, like averaging down. Like it's like, you know, actually pretty impressive, honestly.
Yeah, but like I'm trying to do the best I can, man. I'm not getting it right or wrong all the time, but like I sold SHIB at like what fucking 19, 20, 23. Now it's at 27.
Dude, a lot of people like that would be in your position would have probably done one of two things. Either would have just given up and held the bag and been like, fuck this, like maybe it'll come back someday, but I'm never gonna touch it again. If I break even, great. If not, then whatever. Like I just lost the money. They would either do that or they'd be like, oh fuck this, I'm just gonna sell it and take the loss and probably never touch it again. Like, but you stuck with it the whole time. So like,
So what do
props to you for sticking with it.
What do you think people who must be holding Bitcoin from 69K, what do you think they will do?
I don't know. I mean, I think that like after holding for so long, I think there are people that are gonna just be like, "Oh, I just want to get my money back," like, and like, you know, they might sell, but then there's also gonna be that part of them that says, "Well, wait, what if it goes higher?" And then there's also that whole other group of people that have no idea that this is even fucking happening. There's probably people that bought Bitcoin at 69K that don't even have any idea what the price is right now, like, because they're not even looking at it. Like, there's probably literally people that have Bitcoin right now. Like, if you wonder where all the supply is, why there's such a supply shock, and why the ETFs can't buy any, nobody's selling it because probably like fucking millions of people have it that don't even remember that they bought it. Like,
No. I don't agree to that because if you are in crypto and you bought crypto at 69K and you said fuck it went down to 15K, let's forget about it, whatever. I mean, they definitely would have kept a track of it at some point after, 30K or to 40K or whatever, 50K. It's not like they're completely gonna forget about it.
I mean, you'd be surprised. There was a lot of people that, whenever I talk to like other, like random people, like muggles, I call them, like people that have no idea like what crypto and like financial markets and shit, or like trading, they have no idea about any of that. Like they just had Robinhood or whatever, and they got into the whole crypto like hype mania phase. That was the only time they were involved. Like, dude, when I talk to them about it, they all react the same way. They're like, "Oh yeah, that was really hot for a little while, like, but then it kind of just like faded away." And like they were like, "Oh yeah, I bought some of this shit, and then I don't know, I ended up selling it, yada yada, and then I just got out and I didn't really buy it anymore." And it's like you can kind of tell like that most of those people lost money and like they have a bad taste in their mouth, so they didn't want to fucking get involved with it again.
All right, YouTube, I'm
those
gonna
are the
wrap this
people
one
that
up,
got
and
exit.
I will be back in about 12 hours to stream again, probably. All right, catch you later. Have a good one. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.